Before automated factories, before robotic assembly lines, before computers managed production with astonishing precision, industry depended almost entirely on people. Millions of workers, thousands of factories, countless hours beside roaring machines. The Industrial Revolution transformed civilization. It increased productivity, expanded economies, changed cities forever, but progress carried a price. Factories were dangerous. Rotating gears, steam-powered equipment, flying sparks, metal shavings, oil, grease, dust, chemicals. Every working day exposed laborers to risks that demanded practical solutions. Among the most successful solutions ever created was a remarkably simple garment. Factory coveralls. One piece, built for work, designed for protection. Today, factory coveralls are worn by mechanics, engineers, manufacturing technicians, electricians, maintenance crews, machine operators, and countless skilled professionals across the globe. Yet behind this familiar uniform lies a fascinating story of engineering, safety, and human resilience. To understand factory coveralls, we must first understand the factories that inspired them. During the 19th century, industrial production expanded rapidly. Textile mills multiplied, steel plants grew larger, railroad workshops employed thousands. Mass production became the foundation of modern economies. Workers spent long hours surrounded by machinery that demanded constant attention. Ordinary clothing quickly proved inadequate. Loose garments could become entangled in moving equipment. Delicate fabrics wore out rapidly. Dust and grease permanently stained personal clothing. Employers and workers needed something better. The solution emerged gradually through practical experience. A single garment covering most of the body offered clear advantages. There were fewer openings for dust and daybreak, fewer loose edges near machinery, greater durability, and easier maintenance. This became the foundation of the factory coverall. Its design prioritized function above appearance. Every feature served a purpose. Long sleeves protected the arms. Full-length legs shielded workers from dirt and sparks. Durable seams resisted constant movement. Generous pockets allowed tools to remain close at hand. Strong front closures simplified dressing while maintaining protection. Good engineering rarely attracts attention. It quietly solves problems. The factory coverall became an excellent example of that philosophy. Materials also played a vital role. Early versions relied heavily on sturdy cotton canvas and denim. These fabrics balanced durability with comfort. As technology advanced, manufacturers introduced blended textiles, flame-resistant fibers, chemical-resistant coatings, anti-static materials, high-visibility fabrics. Every innovation responded to specific workplace hazards. The garment evolved alongside industry itself. Psychology explains another important aspect of factory coveralls. Uniforms influence behavior. When people dress for specialized work, they often become more focused, more disciplined, more aware of responsibility. The factory coverall helps create this mental transition. It separates everyday life from professional tasks. Workers enter a mindset centered on precision and safety. This psychological shift contributes to better performance. The garment also promotes equality. Inside many factories, coveralls reduce visible differences in personal fashion. Attention shifts toward teamwork rather than appearance. Skill becomes more important than status. Everyone shares the same mission: produce quality work safely. This shared identity strengthens cooperation. Throughout the 20th century, factory coveralls spread across countless industries. Automobile manufacturing, shipbuilding, aircraft production, mining, energy, chemical processing, food manufacturing, heavy engineering. Each sector adapted the garment to its own requirements. Some demanded fire resistance, others prioritized hygiene, others required protection against hazardous materials. Yet the fundamental design remained remarkably consistent. Simple, reliable, practical. The world wars accelerated further development. Factories operated around the clock. Production increased dramatically. Worker safety became increasingly important. Protective clothing improved accordingly. Many innovations introduced during this period later became standard throughout civilian industry. By the late 20th century, workplace safety had become an international priority. Governments introduced regulations. Manufacturers adopted stricter standards. Protective clothing underwent rigorous testing. Modern factory coveralls now represent decades of engineering refinement. Seams withstand extreme stress. Fabrics resist specific hazards. Designers study worker movement to improve comfort and efficiency. Every improvement reflects lessons learned through experience. Today, advanced manufacturing facilities may appear cleaner and quieter than factories of the past. Robotics assist workers. Digital systems monitor production. Artificial intelligence optimizes workflows. Yet people remain essential. Machines still require maintenance. Equipment still requires inspection. Complex systems still depend upon skilled professionals. And those professionals continue wearing factory coveralls. Their appearance has evolved. Their purpose has not. Protection, reliability, efficiency. These principles remain unchanged. Perhaps the greatest achievement of factory coveralls is that they are rarely noticed. Visitors admire machines, products, technology. Few pause to appreciate the clothing that quietly protects the people making everything possible. Yet without proper workwear, industrial progress would have come at an even greater human cost. There is also a broader lesson hidden within their history. Civilization is built not only through spectacular inventions. It is also built through practical improvements that make ordinary work safer. The factory coverall belongs to that category. An innovation so effective that it became invisible. Because beneath the reinforced stitching, beneath the durable fabric, beneath the factories, machines, production lines, and generations of skilled workers, the factory coveralls tell a larger story. A story about responsibility, a story about engineering, a story about protecting the people whose labor transformed the modern world. From the smoke-filled factories of the Industrial Revolution to today's advanced manufacturing plants, one garment has remained a trusted companion. Not glamorous, not luxurious, but indispensable, a practical uniform, a symbol of skilled craftsmanship, and one of the most important work garments ever created.